friend Usman. I will try to make some suggestion and solution for the issues and challenges that faced by migrant women in India. Firstly, develop a coherent legal and policy framework on migration. Develop a universal national minimum social security package covering minimum wages and labor standards and incorporating portability of benefits in all government social protection schemes and public services. Design targeted components and special outreach strategies for migrants within public services and government programs. Minimize the distress nature of migration by adopting pro-poor development strategies in backwards areas, including providing sustainable livelihood opportunities, increased access to land, common property resources, social and physical infrastructure, and governance institution in sending areas, and strengthening programs, food security programs, and creating opportunities for access to credit. Improve institutional preparedness and build capacity for facilitating and promoting migration. Prioritize implementation of existing laws, including the Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Wages Act, Contract Labor Act, and Bonded Labor System Act, and etc. And innovative strategies and initiatives for the empowerment of women migrants. Establish pre-departure information and training programs to raise awareness of rights and entitlements, skill up graduation possibilities and placements. Run labor helplines, legal clinics in major source and destination areas for providing legal assistance. Major suggestion and conclusion. Create watchdog committees for tracking and monitoring women's migration for preventing instances of harassment, exploitation, and trafficking. Set up migrant resource centers offering pre-departure counseling, access to labor market information, and institutionalized access to jobs, including training, placement, and skill up gradation. Issue temporary ration cards to migrants at the destination to enable access to subsidized food through the public distribution system. Ensure child migrants' right to education by linking them to seasonal hostels or worksite schools. Lastly, the migration of women workers cannot be stopped. So the sufficient awareness must be provided about the schemes of the government that benefits the women, such as national maternity benefit and social security schemes. The NGO at the locality can implement these programs. From this research study, it was found that the literary level of women migrant workers very low. Hence, the NGO must take up literacy awareness campaign programs. Here, thank you. I terminate here.